Leader of the opposition and Trinamool Congress legislator Dr. Mukul Sangma hit out at the government for lacking sincerity to ensure fiscal discipline, even as he alleged that there could be a malified intention from the beginning. He said that when he was the chief minister in charge of the finance department, he used to look up indicators like debt to gross state domestic product or GSDP ratio. According to him, these are the indicators which are required to be set as targets.
The fiscal deficit target set, because earlier during our time, before the amendment of the FRBM Act, there was an amendment. Subsequent amendment was resorted to by the present government also. And that is what I'm saying. They have amended certain portion in order to create this provision for them to borrow more. So they say that, oh, it is allowed, it is allowed. I'm telling you, both government of India have also, to a great extent, have not examined it properly and have agreed. That's why they piggy right on the government of India sometimes. But fiscal discipline is a fiscal discipline. If there is a deviation from fiscal discipline, it doesn't mean that only state government may be deviating from the fiscal discipline. It may be union government also who is also deviating from the fiscal discipline.
The